Stefano Mancuso, The Incredible Journey of Plants. Embark on an incredible journey with Stefano Mancuso's fascinating work, The Incredible Journey of Plants. This summary highlights the incredible adaptability and resilience of the plant kingdom, covering their evolution, survival strategies, and intricate relationships with the environment and other living beings. Delve into the captivating world of plants and discover how they have conquered every ecological niche on Earth. From plants recovering after a nuclear disaster to the characteristics of species like Kikil, witness how these amazing life forms have developed to thrive, spread, and survive in even the most challenging conditions.
The resilience of plants. Plants have evolved to survive in almost every environment, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans and the driest deserts. The success of photosynthesizing organisms can be attributed to their remarkable adaptations over millions of years. The eruption of the Surtsey volcano in 1963 and subsequent arrival of Kikil and black sedge demonstrate how plants can even thrive in the remotest places through specialized seeds and the stomachs of migrating sea birds. Plants are not only capable of surviving radiation through phytoremediation, but some like the Hibakujumoku in Japan's nuclear disaster zones can also withstand temperatures above 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. These examples illustrate the resilience of plants and their ability to colonize any ecological niche on Earth. Plant invasions. Plants are constantly on the move, invading new habitats and adapting to survive. Many vegetables that we assume are native to a region were once invasive outsiders. Plants will invade any new habitat they can, thanks to human action, as well as their adaptability in survival instincts. The Senecio squalidus, for example, is a tiny yellow flower that is not native to Oxford at all. It was brought to England by Italian botanist Francesco Cuppani and eventually spread all over the city. Through natural crossbreeding and adaptation, it gained the ability to withstand the North's more temperate climate. The lesson here is that plants, like humans and animals, are always on the lookout for new territories. The amazing adaptability of coconuts. August Engelhardt, a German nudist in the early 1900s, believed that a diet of coconuts would lead to eternal life and set up a colony in the South Pacific to test his theory. However, his theory failed, and those who followed his teachings soon died of malnutrition. Despite this, Engelhardt was right about one thing: the adaptability of coconut plants. This is because the coconut palm, and related species, are exceptional at surviving. The heavy, hollow husks of coconuts allow them to float on ocean currents for up to 4 months, allowing the plant to spread far and wide across the globe. The Lodoicea maldivica, or the sea coconut palm tree, only grows on a few islands in the Indian Ocean and produces hard-shelled fruit weighing up to 90 pounds. These fruits are heavy to prevent them from rolling away or being moved by animals, and the large leaves collect nutrients and provide regular showers for the next generation. The resilience of plant seeds. Plants have a unique relationship with time and can survive for centuries. A seed's longevity is awe-inspiring, and they can grow after centuries of waiting. Plant seeds can remain dormant for a long time, and perfectly designed capsules keep their contents dormant until the environment is suitable for germination. For instance, a 2,000-year-old date palm seed discovered in Masada helped scientists revive the lost culinary treasure from the region, which had been extinct for centuries. Similarly, Russian scientists regenerated a 39,000-year-old plant, Silene stenophylla, using modern cloning techniques. The perseverance of plant seeds is a remarkable phenomenon with promising implications for the revival of other extinct species. The Anthropocene, humanity's lasting footprint. The impact of humanity on the environment is visible not only in densely populated areas but also in the loneliest trees of the world. The tree of Tenera, once the only plant for hundreds of miles in the Sahara Desert, stood as a landmark for travelers. Sadly, it was uprooted by a drunk trucker in 1973, leaving behind the Tree of Life in Bahrain and the solitary pine tree on Campbell Island as reminders of human presence. The tree of life's existence in a foreign land proves that human activity has rearranged life on the planet. The carbon-14 found in the pine tree's trunk is evidence that humanity's technology is making noticeable changes even in the farthest corners of the globe. These solitary trees reveal that we are living in the Anthropocene, a period when humankind is the main driver of global change. The intimate connection between plants and animals. The Amazon rainforest houses countless species, and the competition is fierce for plants to propagate their next generation. To achieve this feat, they have evolved astounding strategies, such as the dynamite tree that launches its seeds at more than 200 feet per second. Plants also rely on animals to spread their seeds, using hitchhiking techniques or enticing animals with their tasty fruit. However, if the animal goes extinct, the plant is in grave danger, as seen with the Persea americana or avocado tree. Luckily, humans arrived on the scene as new distributors of avocado trees. However, modern agricultural techniques have bred seedless avocados, and biologically they are completely sterile. Thus, the latest twist in the long and intricate story of plant evolution poses another threat to the reproduction of plants.
Having explored the remarkable perseverance of plants and the incredible journey of plants, we are left with a heightened appreciation for the plant kingdom. Their incredible range of adaptations has allowed them to survive and thrive in diverse environments around the world. With examples such as plants colonizing remote islands like Surtsey, or showcasing incredible resilience in the face of nuclear radiation, it becomes clear that plants are some of the most successful species on Earth. As we now understand the significant role plants have in our planet's history and their incredible migration stories, we can better acknowledge our responsibility in preserving these remarkable beings and the ecosystems they create.